Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you don't know who I am, I'm D, and welcome to the channel. You are now watching New Touch Auto. In this video, this is for everybody, all my car lovers, but it's especially for my Ford lovers out there. I got something special for y'all. I tell you what, I got your baby brother, your little brother, the Ford Mustang in here. And when this customer brought this car in, it was originally black, had some bad paint work done, but this is the purpose, man. This is the benefit to this removable paint. You can cover up all that and you won't even know what's under there. Now this right here is what I call pure magic. That's magic. That's magic. You want to see more of that right there, man, and know exactly what we did and how we gave it that okie doke? Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, YouTube. Now, my Ford lovers, this your video because one of your Ford members, the Ford Mustang to be exact, has came in for that okie doke. We're gonna give it to them because they want that Iron Man. If you ain't seen that Iron Man, you gotta continue to watch this video. For now, it came in black, but you see, it got that solid look and everything, but I wanna show you something. Now this is why this product here is pretty good, man. It's some good product. This, you see that? Paint chips, things of that nature. Yeah, that Iron Man gonna cover all that. It's gonna cover it up to a point where you won't even notice what's underneath. First thing first though, we gotta wash this vehicle. Gotta clean it up, then we're gonna prep it, then we're gonna paint it. But luckily for y'all, you don't have to sit over here and wait through those processes because we're gonna jump straight into the paint. So let's go. YouTube, we at the end of the video. And what I like to do at the end is pretty much take you around and give you a little tour to show you exactly what I did to this vehicle. Let's go. Iron Man. Iron Man, just like the symbol. Look at them eyes looking at you. Perfect. That horse matched them lights. We kept that chrome. And anytime you want to turn your head to this car, check out the flip. Look at the flip in there. The flip is amazing. You got that gold in there. You got that red flipping. And watch you turn your head. Look at that. That's what you get. Look at that backside. That's beautiful. I don't care what you want. I don't care if you want something standard, you want something to flip, you want something special, I got it. If you ever in the Florida area, I'm in Lakeland, look me up. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, all that. You can find me. Got any comments you want to add about this vehicle, drop it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, it's simple. Hit that subscribe button down there. That button is free. The support, I appreciate all that. I thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.